Today, we're nomading about our neighborhood.
In the historical center of Mexico, so let's go take a look around.
Okay.
I'm Wayne.
And I'm Kim, and we're two midlifers nomading about the globe. After raising our kids, we decided to leave our traditional life behind by taking our work with us while we travel.
In this series, we're exploring the expansive history and rich culture in and around Mexico City. We're exploring ancient ruins, local neighborhoods, eating tons of street food, and checking one more thing off our bucket list. Sit back, relax, and enjoy Mexico.
Walk from our Airbnb is one of the world's most famous squares, the Zocalo.
And in the square you can find the cathedral, the ruins of the Aztec capital, as well as the National Palace, the Supreme Court, and the market that's been here for 700 years, as well as the largest flag in Mexico.
We have a video coming up where we spend a whole day exploring the Zocalo, so stay tuned for that.
There are two walking streets just off the Zocalo, and today we are on Francisco y Madera.
The walking streets are great because, first of all, there are no cars.
And hence the name, Walking Street.
But it's lined with shops and restaurants. You'll see some names you'll know, like Old Navy, but then there's some local Mexican shops as well. And it's really, really crowded today because it's Sunday, and Sunday is family day in Mexico, so families go out together and enjoy the great weather because it is beautiful out.
And there's also a lot of street performers. This is Bertico's Cafe. It has the best breakfast in the whole world. And we're not even breakfast eaters.
So he might be slightly exaggerating because we haven't had breakfast in the whole world. However, it is on Francisco y Madera Walking Street, and it's a great place to come and have a sip your tea. So now we're about 15 minutes from our Airbnb, and we're going to start circling back. But first we have stopped at the Palace of Fine Arts, which is right behind us. And then across the street is Alameda Park, which is a lovely park we happened upon the other night.
Alameda Park is the oldest municipal park in Mexico.
We didn't know that at the time.
Yeah, it was founded in 1573.
super awesome. We hope you've enjoyed our little tour of our neighborhood, and if you're staying in Mexico City, I love the historic center. There's so much to do, museums are everywhere, and it's really great.
It's the place to be.
So,
Good start.
thanks.
Solid.
And this is not to diffuse. Is that a word?
I don't know. I like it though. I feel so defeated.
Stop it. So we wanted to take a minute and talk about the fact that stop laughing. This is not
I want
funny.
to defute this whole situation.
Yeah. So there.